Moving on, next we have text classification. Sentiment analysis is probably the most popular example of this. Classify the following comments sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral. So we're telling it the categories that we want, and then we're guiding it, saying comment colon. So this is the input, and then we say sentiment colon, and then nothing else. We're saying this is where your answer should start. And this is a technique you can use for other prompts as well, basically setting it up to answer right after that last colon. So something like this. We're getting it started on the answer here. Let's submit, see what we get. And positive sentiment, a great course. Thank you very much. And then building on that, we can be even more efficient by asking it to classify more than one comment at a time. But once again, leading it with that sentiment word at the end there to get it started. And this time you'll see it gives us sentiment for each of our comments with the 5 different options here. And then just to give you one more use case, we could also use this to classify or route support tickets based on their contents. So the instructions here, we're looking for categories of technical issues, billing, inquiries, or complaints. And then down below, we'll pass in the actual contents of the ticket and see what category we get. Just like this. And let's see what we get for our response. Looks like this ticket is for technical issues. So just another example of how to use this for text classification.